be good.
Mommy's kissing Tucker goodbye. This is gonna be the longest you've been away from Tucker, isn't it? We've got a 4-hour interview, photo set, or video shoot. And so Grammy's gonna watch Tucker while we are doing our interview.
Who's that baby?
There you are, Grammy.
Oh, he's cute.
All right. All right, well, we gotta go. Time to make a movie. All right, we're driving to the collab for Jenny and I's interview today. And it's exciting. This has been my first time not being behind the camera. So I think both of us are feeling a little bit of the intimidation, knowing that there's gonna be cameras and lights aimed at us and a bunch of eyeballs behind those lights. But
I don't think that's it for me. I think this particular interview, a lot of people are gonna see it, and that's what makes me nervous.
yeah,
It's just, you know,
all those
I'm
eyeballs.
not used to that. Yeah, all of those eyeballs.
All the eyeballs are gonna see you. Hey!
Right behind us.
The cameras are everywhere.
This is ridiculous.
Cait, do you have any tips for Jenny?
Just act natural, just answer truthfully, and when in doubt, just smile, nod, and look at Jesse.
Oh yeah. So the last question that I'm slightly worried about. Apparently, I don't even have to answer. I'm just gonna. Cait said I could. 8, 6, 7, 5, Fiona. Come on. It's Jenna's song.
All right, we are getting mic'd up for the photo shoot. So this
This
goes
is an
in.
interview. Okay.
Can I grope you and help you with your microphone?
Yeah, if you want to. Does it matter what side it goes on?
All right, so we got our microphones on. And here in a minute, Shane's gonna start having us read probably Dr. Seuss or something.
Oh, I'm good at that.
Be testing the audio and getting ready.
One place you've always wanted to visit and why?
You know, I've always wanted to go to a remote island in the Caribbean, and my dream would be actually to be there on a hammock with Shane Snyder, and he and I can do the shuffle alongside the side of the ocean, and Shane and I would be walking on the beach, you know, holding hands, picking up coconuts, maybe you'll find a conch shell we can
Listen to the ocean together.
Yeah. I mean, the options are endless, really, if you think about it. You know?
All right, that's enough, Jimmy. What place have you always wanted to visit?
Well, so it looks like it'll just be me and Tucker.
Yeah.
Jesse will be a little bit busy, and so I think we would maybe head to Bali by ourselves without Jesse.
Oh, Cait, so I would totally help you with this nasty job, but
Prettied up for your interview, right?
I can't afford to get dirty. You're doing a great job, though.
Thank you.
Sorry. We got a bucket of water in the face.
That was a classic.
Uh-oh, the interrogator just showed up.
So we got finance.
It's fun. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna have a good time.
I'm not worried about the interview. I'm worried about in October when people see this.
Okay.
Oh, she said what?
My hands.
I know.
I don't know if it's my hands. Yeah, so we are here in the hot seat. This is really cool for everybody though, guys, because here's the thing. This is our last studio interview. Yeah!
Awesome. I'm first. Yeah.
Jenny's first, our last.
One and done.
And this is really cool because, right, we've been here behind the cameras this whole time. And this means we're one step closer to going to our next shooting location, which is going to be some beautiful areas of Colorado. And that's exciting. It means two things: new territory, new sights to see, but also it means cooler weather. So it's yeah. That's probably the best part. Is the cooler weather is the best part. What do you think, Tom?
I am really excited. Although we got one more hot shoot to do. This is not quite done. We got this guy later today. So
Yes.
That's right.
But
Actually, good point.
Yeah,
good
you're
point.
not the last. Don't feel
No,
special.
last interview. Last interview.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
I feel like I need to,
Jacqueline of all trades.
I need to split the difference between you guys because you're mates.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've been without Tucker for 45 minutes.
No filming yet.
No, but I'm curious. So 45 minutes ago we left Tucker. Is Mommy having withdrawals yet?
I'm okay because about 24 minutes ago I got a text saying that he was asleep.
Oh,
So
okay.
that makes me feel better.
All right.
Just like
I'd still not be with him right now.
it's just like
So,
normal.
yeah.
Bounced off the alignment rack, came back and smashed me in the side of the head, and I just hit the ground. I have footage of myself doing that exact thing, releasing the inside Tyron arm off of the rack. The giant bolt, and I was on it with this huge, like 2-foot long wrench, and I did that exact thing.
So how's your interview so far?
I've answered 0 questions, so we're good. It's going great.
It's been the easiest interview you've ever had so far?
Easiest interview I've ever had. If it just continues like this, it'll be fine.
3 more hours of just hanging out.
I got that.
It was so bad. I had another one where I slipped my elbow, hit the edge of the alignment rack, and rolling.
Glory.
All right, let's make the cameras go.
Make the cameras go.
How's that?
Have you already used
Super technical.
What's that?
the color board?
No, we didn't.
You know, this is really strange sitting here watching all the cameras.
Yeah.
Yeah, all the camera work.
Are you like stopping yourself from jumping in?
Yeah, I want to jump up and help out, but
You just can't. You had to start today.
well, I gotta sit down and not sweat.
Make it pretty.
Okay.
Oh, my face! How's the interview going so far?
It's good. My mouth hurts. My jaw hurts.
Not used to talking so much, right?
Yeah. So far, so good, I think. We haven't gotten booed off stage yet, so.
Like, hey, you're done.
I know. Can you just stop?
Blurred out in the background.
Wait, hold on, let me zoom it in a little.
Open it a little bit further. Open it a little bit further, honey. Redo it, guys.
All right, just turned off the microphone because we just wrapped up for the Outside is Calling interview for RV Nomads. And it was kind of cool. Ah! Yeah, so it was cool. The interviews are done now. Hey, you got
Got an armpit.
is that a tampon?
No.
You got a little tampon
That was
hanging up.
Dingleberry.
You got a string, I got some scissors I can get off with.
We're free. I'm free. This was my microphone for the interview on the set of RV Nomads.
Look, you guys.
Yay!
Milestone. Huge milestone.
Huge milestone.
We have
Falling over.
champagne. Where's the champagne?
One more shoot here in Wellington, and then we can move on.
It's cool. Hey Shane, are you sad to not have to sit over there anymore?
Listen to grumbling bellies.
Yeah, I heard one too many grumbling bellies.
Dance with. Oh,
So
oh,
it's-
oh.
But yeah, everyone's in good spirits because, yeah, this is great. We've had a great time here, but we're looking forward to new places, to heading up to Colorado next.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for making it happen.
Well, thank you for the interview.
Putting up with your nonsense. If that's what you want to call it.
Wasn't bad. You guys were great. You guys were great.
These are the guys behind the camera and the lights.
Yeah, we're not supposed to be on camera.
No.
Turn that thing around.
Their interview was fabulous. We're all just giving them a hard time because they were so nervous about it.
We were so nervous that the whole crew got naked just to keep us chill.
How you wave?
Is he doing the queen?
Higher.
What?
Okay, just pretend that you guys are the ceiling.
I have a hole in my shirt. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that.
I didn't even notice it.
That's a huge hole.
Yes, it's a huge hole.
Oh man, it just ripped these sleeves off.
So,
Did you not notice the free air conditioning?
this is a perfect example. Like,
Wow.
you do not hear the things that I say to you.
It's a good
You put it on this morning, and I was like, you got a hole in your armpit. And then, like, before you're like
Feels fine
walking
to
out the
me.
door, I'm like, hey, you're gonna wear that shirt if you got a hole in your armpit. And you just kept going.
Nothing wrong with this shirt.
That's a good shirt.
Yeah.
Look cooler.
Sweet.
Very nice.
High five that one.
Nicely done.
Cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. Just in the last few days, ENTV has launched a crowdfunding campaign for the RV Nomads. This is a campaign to wrap up and finish the edits and the final stages of the RV Nomads movie. If any of you would like to support that and be part of it, that'd be wonderful. We'll put a link down below. Also thank all those of you that have subscribed. If you haven't, please click the link below to subscribe as well. And we will see you guys next time. All right, Tucker? We'll see you next time.